How to make a Jamaican style Sunday dinner. In this video, I'll be doing some baked chicken, pumpkin rice, American style lasagna. And yes, I am a lasagna lover. Don't forget, subscribe, set your notification bell, and don't forget to give the video a like, guys. Don't be mean. Season my meat overnight, and I'll be baking this in my oven at 400 degrees for at least 1 hour 15 minutes. You want your chicken to be juicy. I seasoned my chicken overnight to marinate. Then I will add on a baking tray after laying some aluminum foil. And yes, I know aluminum foil is not good for us due to the aluminum. However, it makes my life easier adding the foil to the baking tray. Added a little butter because that's my business and I want to do it this way. There are many different ways how you can do your baked chicken. Added little drops of butter, cover, then I will add to my oven. Once I cover with foil, add to my oven. In the mix of things, I started to prep for my lasagna. Boiled some lasagna and I washed my grass-fed beef mince. Added seasoned garlic, onion, bell pepper, seasoned with a little salt, black pepper, a little oregano, and a little Maggi chicken bouillon with a little tomato paste. This is what it looks like. Now I'm about ready to line my tray to add in my lasagna. Added a little tomato paste in the bottom of my baking tray. Then I'll be laying in the cooked pasta, which is the lasagna. I mixed together some ricotta cheese and an whole egg. Added on my mince, ricotta cheese, and regular cheese on it. Use whatever cheese you want, that's your business. Then it's time to check on my chicken. 30 minutes in, I'm going to flip my chicken over. It still has a lot of juice on it to make sure that both sides are baked. This is prepping for my pumpkin rice. Almost an hour in, I made some sauce on the side and I did drizzle a little on my baked chicken. Added back to the oven for 15 minutes uncovered. Please check out my rice playlist to see how I prep my pumpkin rice. Ingredients are there. Look at my lasagna and my baked chicken. My chicken is ready. Juicy, not too dry. Done the Jamaican way. There are lots of ways how you can bake chicken, and this is another way. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give the video a like, guys. You're so mean. Don't be mean. This is my lasagna. Thank you for liking. And listen, I'm a lasagna lover and my family does love lasagna. I don't like it with too much sauce, but I do love lasagna. Started to make my gravy, added my seasonings into a little butter, and I start to make my gravy with a little chicken broth. Look at my pumpkin rice. It is pumpkining. It is ricing. Don't forget to give the video a like and check out my rice playlist to find this pumpkin rice video with ingredients. Look at a girl lasagna. Cheesy, the color is everything, and listen, it tasted really, really good. Jamaican style cooking on a Sunday. Here is my plate dish with a little rice, lasagna, baked chicken, green beans, and some tossed salad on the side. Guys, let me know your thoughts on my cooking Jamaican dinner. Don't forget, like, subscribe, set your notification bell. Catch you soon in another video. Thank you.